Hey guys, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. So you see my title today, I'm going to be unboxing my January 2020 CurlBox. So yeah. So I have 3 packages to unbox and a box right here. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn notifications to be part of the what Lehigh. So yeah, some of my previous videos will link down below, but the most important link down below are petitions to sign as well as places to donate. So let's get into the video. Alright, so this is what the postcard looks like. It says CurlBox January 2020. My CurlBox wall is actually full, the one that's on my door, and I think I'm gonna start putting them on my wall so it'll look real nice. So we have, she looks like this. Then we have this one. I really like this outfit, but I can't use both because the glue will have to go on the back, or if I use this one, it'll have to go in the front. So I don't really know which one I'm gonna use. Probably the inside, because I usually always use the cover, but I like the cover. But yeah. And then I'm gonna use the back. So it says made with love. I really do like that. So let's get into this CurlBox. This is what it looks like. Okay. So the first thing that we have here is the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream Instant Intense Moisture System. Curl quenching shampoo for very dry, curly to coily hair. No sulfates, parabens, artificial colors, with coconut, mango, and okay. This is what it looks like. I've heard of Carol's Daughter, but I've never tried it, so this is my first time trying Carol's Daughter. And it says made with love. Love is our first ingredient. This lusciously scented recipe is blended with everything your hair will love and nothing it won't. So let's see what this smells like. Obviously I have to tell you guys. Let's see, because it seems like it's gonna smell good. Oh, that smells good. That smells like a something at Bath and Body Works. That smells amazing. I like that. Oh my God. Alright. Next we have is the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream Instant Intense Moisture System Curl Quenching Conditioner for very dry, curly to coily hair. No silicones, parabens, mineral oil, artificial colors, with coconut, mango, and maroon arugula. And it says let your hair drink up this intensely softening conditioner blended with our cocoa cream recipe. The moisturizing cocoa cream system with our shampoo and mask helps quench that thirst of extremely dry hair so it looks and feels hydrated from root to end. Thoroughly into wet hair, massage gently into your hair, gently, especially the ends. Rinse well, follow with the mask. It says follow with the mask, but the box did not come with the mask, which is completely fine. And now we have the Carol's Daughter Style Control Gel. Yes, I just got a gel from the Kaleidoscope Unicorn collection, which I really do like. So now I have another gel. Proxy Nectar Styling by Nature Style Control Gel for all hair types, touchable, hold, helps prevent frizz, adds moisture and shine with proxy oil, acai extract, and castor oil. Tired of gels that control but don't nourish your hair? Hold on with this hydrating gel that keeps styles touchably soft and beautifully locked in place. Infused with natural proxy oil, the conditioning miracle nectar of Brazil, castor oil, and a blend of frizz-fighting fixatives. It adds in moisture and leaves a flawless shine. Clean damp hair, apply gel to achieve your desired style. Keep out of eyes, not intended for internal use. Okay. Let's see what this smells like. I only know of acai, like the word acai from like the strawberry acai drink from like Starbucks, and I haven't had that in a very long time. So okay, let me like squeeze it a little. I can't really smell it, but I'm sure it smells like everything else. Okay, so it smells really good. Like you can really smell. It smells good. Everything smells really good. So this box also came with body care, which I don't think has ever happened except for in my Palmer's box with the hand lotion that's almost gone, the skin therapy oil with all that stuff. That was full of body stuff. And then it came with like a protein hair pack, which I really liked. So next we have the Carol's Daughter almond cookie with almond oil and oatmeal bar soap. Gently exfoliates and helps soften dry skin. No sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, and no. This explains like the almond cookie story, the almond cookie recipe. Blended with almond oil, oatmeal, and carefully selected ingredients. This mild bar, carefully selected ingredients. This mild bars. I just read the same thing over again. Soap cleanses and gently exfoliates to help soften skin. Made with love, it comforts and nourishes skin. Gently massage body with bar to cleanse and smooth skin. Do not use on face. In case of contact with eyes, rinse them immediately. So when it says almond cookie with almond oil and oatmeal bar soap, it sounds like I really would like to eat this. Take a nice bite, and it smells good. I can't put my finger on it, but it smells like everything that would be at Bath and Body Works or like at your grandma's house. Like you know how like your grandma's house smells like soap. It smells good. It smells good. So I just want to take a bite. So now the last thing that we have in this box is the Carol's Daughter Karite. I don't know. Cocoa with shea butter and coconut oil velvet body cream. Deeply nourishes and relieves dryness for extra dry skin. No silicones, no parabens, no petrolatum, no mineral oil, and no artificial colors. After bath or shower, massage into damp towel dried skin, but a little extra on rough areas like your knees or elbows to make them soft to the touch. Reapply anytime. Born in Brooklyn, made with love. So it's a Brooklyn-based company. Okay. So I really like this small bottle, but this is definitely not for your full body. So I'll just be using this for my hands. And let me see. It smells good. It smells exactly like the shampoo, I think. Let me twist it off. I can't really smell anything. I literally just put that on my nose, like up my nostril, but. All right, so that's all we got in this box. We have the Carol's Daughter shampoo and conditioner. We've got the styling control gel, the almond cookie oatmeal bar soap, and the Karite cocoa velvet body cream. But if you want this to actually last, I recommend not using it on your body. But yeah, I think I will use it on my rough areas though. Oh my. Okay. I don't think I can smell it. Like in this beginning of the video, you already heard me put on lotion. Okay. All right. So that's what we've got in here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this January 2020 CurlBox unboxing. Make sure you guys turn notifications, like and subscribe to be part of the what? Leehive. So yeah, some of my previous videos will link down below, but the most important link that'll be down below are petitions to sign as well as places to donate. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.